Reusable cable ties were my first purchase. They're from Amazon and come in the colours white, black and multi. Because the iMac bezel is white, I opted for the white colour for a seamless appearance. They come in a stack of 50 like this and you just peel them off one at a time. The cable ties are 15 centimeters long, but the good thing about them is that you can cut them and splice them to get a customized length. As you can see, I've done no cable management, even though my desk provides the means to do so. The cable ties are designed to keep all kinds of cords well organised and tidy. You could also tie up speaker cables, TV cables, microphone cables and much more. They're the perfect accessory for under your desk, around the home, in drawers and even your office. The iMac keyboard is very prone to dust, debris, crumbs, splashes from your drink, so I decided to buy a magic keyboard cover. Now I have the keyboard with the numeric keypad at the side, so I bought the longer version of this keyboard cover, but on Amazon they also have the shorter version. The keyboard cover itself is very well made. It's transparent and really thin. All you have to do to get it on is place it down and shimmy it into place. When I tell you, it is literally undetectable. You can't see it when it's on. It also has a cutout for the Touch ID, so that's really useful. The pandemic introduced a lot of online courses, classes, interviews, you name it. There's nothing worse than accidentally having your camera on, or just for a little bit of privacy. I bought some camera covers. So there was 3 in the pack and I've used one of them. So when not in use, you can just slide the cover, and then when in use, you can just slide it back open. And I'm just going to show you in real time what that looks like using the photo booth. This Usbc hub is from the brand Hyperdrive. It's got 6 ports, and the 6 ports include 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, 1 micro SD card slot, 1 SD card slot, and a HDMI slot. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but the iMac only has 4 USB-C ports at the back, and trying to access them can get a little bit tricky, so it is a purchase that's worthwhile. Inside the packet you get stickers which correspond to the colours of the iMac. So in the pack you have a silver, blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow and green sticker. So it's finally time to connect it to the iMac. And the first thing that you do is unscrew this at the back, and on the inside there is a soft lining so it prevents scratches on your iMac. All you need to do now is pop the screw back in and tighten it, plug it in and turn the iMac around. Guys, look at that colour match, it's literally perfect. I do all of my editing off my hard drive and it's so much easier to just have access to your ports from the front of your Mac. I no longer have to constantly turn around the iMac just to see where I'm plugging things in, and it makes editing such a breeze. But that's all from me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!